Learning activity number 7 allows you to create an outline to your paper. Now keep in mind, this is simply an outline and does not need to be finalized as a draft, a final draft or anything like that. This is just a way for you to start getting ideas on a paper and start thinking about the organization of your essay. Outlines are extremely helpful. I use them to this day. They're absolutely essential to your success as a writer. Always think about the organization as being the most important element to helping your reader follow your argument. Okay? So what you basically do is I want you to download this learning activity as a Word document to your desktop, and you'll simply fill in the information. All right, it does not need to be the final draft or the final ideas that you plan, but just a way to get the ball rolling on the organizational element of your paper. So to begin with, you want to think about the introductory paragraph. List some background information about your problem. Make sure you tell me what the problem is that you plan on investigating. What are the current solutions to this problem? You'll find this through your research. All right, write your thesis or your solution to the problem. All right, remember to include a subordinating conjunction, although, even though, while, or though. So you can say, although many solutions have addressed problem X, we should instead do something else. All right, also think about reasons, using the because to explain the importance of your solution. Also, you want to list the steps the audience should take to implement your solution. This is better known as the roadmap to the rest of your essay. All right, this is a continuation of your thesis. So in order to implement the solution, we must first do something. Secondly, we must do something else. Thirdly, we ought to do something else. Okay? Paragraph 2 allows you to elaborate on the problem. All right, and you can see how this connects directly with the first element of your introductory paragraph, listing background information about the problem. Paragraph 3, you elaborate on the current solutions of the problem. All right. Again, this goes back to part 2, the current solutions of the problem in the first paragraph. Paragraph 4 allows you to restate your thesis in your roadmap. This allows you to remind the reader about what you plan to implement to solve this problem. Paragraphs 5 through 6, you go through each step of your solution. Think of your solution as happening in stages. It can't happen all at once. It has to happen in phases or in stages. And then you want to kind of think about your conclusion. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to come up with full paragraphs for your outline. Just maybe a couple sentences or a sentence about how you plan to address these points.